Okay, we're back once again guys. So dito tayo mag-check ng update ng ating upgrade weights na linagay natin additionally sa ating front tire, front wheel. And let's try this inclined from Adoy Cafe here in Talisay. Okay, let's see kung kaano kaganda yung balanse niya. Slow crawl lang tayo with the cinematic shot. Next quick pa. Alright, slow crawling. Yun, ang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng balance niya. So, approve. Worth it yung weights guys. Nag-add ako ng around 72 grams or 74 grams. Kalimutan ko. Okay, let's try faster. Climb. Smooth. Yun. So, naka-top heavy kasi and meron pa tayong dalawang driver. Kuha lang tayo ng balance eh. Oh, meron na ding RC enthusiast. Naka MN 300 siya. Nice. Oh, mayong hapon. Grabe ba? Kilala. Ay, taga silay ka man. Nice. Sorry pa ta. Kita na pa ta de. Nice. Owned by
Sir MJ lang
Sir MJ. Fully upgraded na din yung MN 300 niya. Hindi pa. Oh, brushless kulang. Slowly lang. Nice. Pero try mo dan ay kuha na ang brush niya lang kay ang brushless duga pang bali shaft eh.
Pati siya.
Ginabali niya. Kung mag-work man lang siya sa brush, bisan metal. Kaya actually yung components niya do hindi siya mo nakabakod.
Pag ako na ni
Nice. Kagina pa mga 1 hour. Tahom di first time mo de?
First time ko
First time ko man. Lingaw. Alright. Meron pala tayong kababayan dito. First time niya din sa Adoy Cafe. Yun. Okay. Hopefully, hindi na ako makakadisturbo dyan. So, keep crawling lang, bro. Enjoy. Okay? That's our update for our cherry bomb, project cherry bomb. So check natin yung physics niya. Yung suspension play niya, yung bounce ng RC, hindi siya parang toy tingnan. Check nyo mo guys. So, yung advantage pag heavy yung rig mo is parang scaled tingnan yung sasakyan. See? Kita nyo? Balance yung suspension nya. Gumagalaw lang yung wheels nya, but yung bodies hindi bouncy. Nagra-rub lang ng kaunti pero it's okay lang for me. Nice. Maganda to pag slow mo guys. So that's our cherry bomb update. Hopefully you enjoy, guys, and keep rolling, keep crawling. Share the love, share the vibe. This is your Quago. See you on the next one. Quago out.